Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone using the NeatDesk ADF-070108 digital filing system, the BestCH USB cable computer PC laptop data sync cord. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to be the reliable bridge between your document scanner and your computer, ensuring your digital filing system operates at peak efficiency. For NeatDesk ADF-070108 owners, a dependable data sync cord is absolutely essential. This BestCH USB cable ensures that your valuable scan documents, from receipts to important papers, are transferred smoothly and efficiently from your scanner to your PC or laptop. In a world where digital organization is key, the integrity and speed of this data transfer are paramount. This cable is built to handle that critical task, providing a stable and consistent connection every time you scan. It eliminates the frustration of intermittent connections or slow data transfers, which can severely hinder productivity when you're trying to digitize a large volume of documents. The cable boasts universal USB connectivity on one end for your computer, and the specific connector needed for the NeatDesk ADF-070108 on the other. Its black color offers a professional look that fits into any office or home setup, blending seamlessly with your existing equipment. The product description highlights tested units and being in great working condition, which instills confidence in its reliability and durability right out of the box. It's designed to be a direct replacement or an excellent spare, ensuring your scanning operations never miss a beat due to a faulty connection. This attention to detail means users can expect a consistent performance, making their document management tasks much simpler and more reliable. A vital piece of advice for potential buyers, directly from the manufacturer, is to always verify that your scanner model, the NeatDesk ADF-070108, matches the listing precisely. This simple step guarantees perfect compatibility and saves you from any potential hassle, ensuring you get the right cable for your specific device. Ultimately, the BestCH USB cable is more than just a wire. It's an indispensable tool for maintaining the efficiency and effectiveness of your NeatDesk digital filing system. It's the silent workhorse that keeps your documents flowing from paper to digital with ease, making it an essential purchase for any NeatDesk ADF-070108 user.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.